They walk into the room like it's nothing. Laughing, talking, connecting. Meanwhile, you're stuck in your own head, heart racing, palms sweaty, overthinking every move. Sound familiar? If so, you're not broken. You're just anxious. And today, I'll show you exactly how to socialize, even if anxiety has held you back for years. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear could change your life forever. You see, social anxiety doesn't mean you're antisocial. It means your nervous system is on high alert in social settings, triggered by fear of judgment, rejection, or saying the wrong thing. But what if I told you, there are simple, science-backed steps to feel calm, confident, and connected around others, even if you've been shy your whole life? Let's break it down. Step 1. Accept your anxiety, don't fight it. Most people try to suppress their anxiety. But the truth? That only makes it worse. Instead, when the anxiety creeps in, silently say to yourself, "This is just anxiety, it's okay. I can still talk to people." This tells your brain, there's no threat. No lion chasing you. Just people. This small shift calms your nervous system and creates space to act instead of freeze. Step 2. Use the smile and nod trick. You don't have to say a lot to make a good impression. When you walk into a room, scan for someone open and relaxed. Approach, smile gently, and give a small nod. It triggers mirror neurons in their brain, making them more likely to smile and respond positively. This opens the door for small talk, without pressure. And the best part? You didn't have to say a single word to start the connection. Step 3. Ask easy, open-ended questions. When your mind goes blank, use this magic phrase. What brings you here? It works in nearly every situation, at events, gatherings, even at the gym. Then follow up with, "That's interesting. How did you get into that?" People love to talk about themselves. And when you ask with genuine curiosity, they'll remember you, not as the anxious one, but as the person who really listened. Step 4. Master safe zones in conversation. If small talk terrifies you, memorize 3 safe zone topics. Current surroundings. This place has a nice vibe, don't you think? Shared experience. Have you tried the snacks yet? Observation. I noticed you were talking about topic. Mind if I ask more about that? You don't need to be clever. You just need to show you're engaged. That's what makes people want to keep talking to you. Step 5. The 5-second rule. Don't let your brain talk you out of action. When you see a moment to speak or join in, count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. This interrupts the fear loop and gets you moving before doubt can paralyze you. You don't need to be fearless, just faster than your fear. Step 6. Rehearse low-stakes social wins. Start small. Greet your barista. Compliment someone's outfit. Ask a coworker how their weekend was. Every small win builds confidence. Each interaction is a micro-rehearsal for bigger social moments. Soon, you'll feel your brain shifting from, "I can't handle people," to, "Hey, this feels kind of good." Step 7. Remember, you're not alone. Anxiety convinces you that everyone's judging you. But here's the secret. Most people are too busy worrying about themselves to think about you. They're not focused on your awkward laugh or that moment you stumbled over your words. They're human too. And connection is built through authenticity, not perfection. Final thoughts. You are worth knowing. You don't have to be the loudest in the room. You don't need flawless confidence. You just need to show up. Be curious. Be kind. And trust that your presence is enough. You're not too quiet. You're not weird. You're someone with a deep, beautiful inner world, and the world needs more people like you. If this video spoke to your heart, subscribe for more powerful mindset and psychology tips to help you connect, communicate, and thrive. And if you've ever felt alone in your anxiety, drop a comment below and say, "I'm ready to connect." You might just meet someone on the same journey as you. See description below to discover powerful psychological secrets to bond and connect with anyone.